Hey guys, so I have a few questions of how to download a video, or not download, like put it in your computer. So the first thing you want to do is connect your camera to your computer, and you will go to Files. So I just connected my camera to my laptop. So once you're here at the equipment, then you're gonna see this disk. You're gonna double click on it. You're gonna double click DCIM, and I have a few videos here. So what you want to do is click here. You click and you drag it and you put it in your videos or in any file you have for your videos, and you're gonna press it's gonna go by itself. So right now this is what it's doing. It's completing. So I'm just gonna wait until it completely completes here. Okay, so once it's once the video completes, you want to disconnect your YouTube, your cable, your USB. So you're gonna go back to your files, and you're gonna go back to your videos, and I have a bunch of videos here. So you're gonna look for the video that you just put here. So where is my video? Let me look at my video. Okay, so this is the video that I just put right here. Now if you want to put it on YouTube, then you go to your channel, and you're gonna click this create a video or post, and you're gonna choose upload video, just like what I'm doing here. And you're gonna come up to this screen here. You're gonna press this little arrow, and the arrow is automatically gonna take you to your files. So you're gonna click videos, and you're going to click the video that you download, so this one, and you click OK. And this is where your video is going to be uploading to YouTube. From here you can put the description of your video, your title of your video and the description, and then here you're gonna put some tags on there. So there you go. So you're gonna be putting like whatever your video is about, you're gonna put it here. So, and then you go here to translate. You can translate it. There's the language, and then advanced settings. You can do like allowed comments, do all those fun stuff you have here. And the category is really important because that is where the people are gonna find you. So if your video is about crafting, then you want to put it and how-to style. Or if your video is sports, then you can do it sports, travel events, whatever your video is about. And then here you're gonna press the recording date. So if you did it today, then you do it today. If you click here, you choose where you put it, and that's about it. And you're just going to click publish, and your video is good to go. So yeah, so I really hope this was informative to people who starting their YouTube. I hope this works for you, and yeah, so good luck whoever's starting their YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.